How to make a woman chase after you if you are an older guy. So if you ask anyone about this topic, they will probably agree with you that it is common sense that a man should chase a woman and not otherwise. But you know what, in reality there could not be something further away from the truth. I also think you maybe already heard this outdated stuff from some of these so-called pickup artists. But like I said, this knowledge will make you achieve everything instead of being successful with women. It will make you a man every woman will recognize as a needy piece of crap. If you would like to achieve success with women instead, you have to learn a lot about the female brain to be able to use mind control on women. So what is mind control? It is, in simple words, the ability to trigger the right points in a woman's mind to make her do what you want, and yes, seduce her. It is not some lame trick or some false advice. No, it is scientific proven. And if you would like to receive your first ebook and a lot of other stuff like presentations etc. in the future, then you should simply click the link in the description to put your email address in. I will send you everything you are going to need to get the full picture of being successful with women. There is a fact deep wired in the female brain, and it is that women always try to get what they cannot have. And if you are able to make them chase you, you are exactly this thing. She must get the feeling that you are completely out of her reach. We can do this by repulse her. And like you probably guess, this will make her chase you. It is an addiction to get whatever they cannot have. Like a handbag that is limited edition, for example. By repulsing her, you are literally giving her the space to be able to chase you. If you are in the other case a guy that chases women, you will never be able to give her this space to chase you. She will simply not have the chance to do it. You can just use a secret technique called the reverse fake friend zone. Just simply tell her straightforward that you are not interested in a relationship with her. Tell her that you are only ready for a relationship if you are sure that it is with the perfect person, and would not ever risk to have a relationship with someone you are not 100% sure with. The first thing this implants in her mind is the feeling that you are completely out of her reach. But the best part is that you did not give her a clear no. So she knows you may be out of her reach, but there is also hope left. That will put her in the situation we would like to have her in. And now comes the best thing ever. You will tease her with sentences like "I like you, but I guess we are too similar." This will drive her crazy, because it is a negative statement on the one hand, but also a very positive on the other hand. And now, my friend, you literally just have to wait and relax while she seduces herself. Sounds funny, and yes it is. Pretty clever move from you, I guess. And like I said at the start, if you are interested in the whole picture of being successful with women, feel free to click the link in the description to save everything you need to have to be successful with